Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here and do a video. I just did a get ready with me, so I wanted to get on here and show y'all how I use my straightener slash curler. It's the Tyme wand. It is, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's, when it closes, it closes at an angle. And you can either do straight or curly. Today I'm going to show y'all how to do the curly, like the wavy. What you're going to do is there is a button here. It's the on and off button. What you're going to do is put your thumb on that side. And what you're going to do is, let's separate this hair. And I don't do all of it. I just kind of do a little bit just to give it a little bit of wave. Your thumb is on this part, so you're gonna put it on your hair, flip it, and bring it down. And it gives that textured wave. And I kind of hold it down just so it's more of a loose curl instead of not so tight curl. And then you just kind of, so your hand is like this, your thumb, and then you just clamp down, flip over and pull forward, and it does the same thing. Hoping you can see it. It's kind of hard. Thumb holding on here, clamp down, pull the hair back, and then pull forward. And that's more of a looser one. And you can always comb through it. What I like to use is my hairspray wax from, I'm not sure who it's from, Beauty Pure and Simple, I'm not sure. I love it because it's not sticky, or it doesn't get real, it's not like hairspray. It doesn't give it that hard effect where you can't move it. So I'm just gonna keep going, and I normally just do the top just because I don't really need to do the bottom. And then I will just put a little bit of this beeswax texture spray in here. And I just love the way it smells. It smells so good. See, and it gives it, like, I don't like it too curly, but it gives it that wave effect, which is what I love because it's super fast. And if I'm like trying to run out of the door and get things done, then it's perfect. It heats up quick. I don't have to do anything extra. I just curl and go. And on the other side, I feel like it's a little bit more easier because you just literally put it like this and then bring forward, and it does that little wave, see? And if you wanted it tighter, you can go up higher and leave it longer, like go slower with it, like this. Let me show you. Flip, grab the hair, pull forward slowly. And then, see, that's more of a tighter wave. I'm sure you can see that. And then I just kind of go grab little pieces that are really straight and do the same thing. And my little one's about to wake up, so I'm trying to do this quickly. And I love it because it heats up really fast, and I don't have to really wait on wait on it to heat up. Sometimes I'll just do the ends just because they're so straight. I wanted to give it a little bit of texture. Okay, I see a couple of pieces down here that are super straight. Oh. And you want to comb through it to make sure it's straight before you curl it, because if not, it will crease. It'll like crease really bad. Okay, so I'm gonna do a few more in the back just because it's so straight in the back. Like I said, I really don't do underneath unless I'm trying to give it that real, you know, curled effect, which I'm not. I just kind of want to and I will link down in the description box below where I purchased my flat iron from, and also this flexible plus beeswax texture, just so you could know. And the smell is amazing. But yeah, there it is. It is wavy. I like it because you can move it any which way. And like this piece, I want it a little bit more curled like this, so I can kind of put it up like so. So let's do this piece again. See, that's a little too much, but then you can just comb it and hold it out and have it to the side like so. But that's it. I just wanted to get on here and show you how I use my Tyme curler. If you want to see me use the straightener part of it, let me know in the comments down below and I can do that for you guys. So other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.